good video. Okay. Well, there's a surprise under them. Try to figure out what the surprise is.
Cold. Yeah, these are not Honey Nut, but that's okay. That is cold Cheerios. And how did I get all the way to the bottom? This is weird. Sounding weird. How much Cheerios did you put in this? A few. I put a surprise underneath them. Okay. Probably white chocolate. But wouldn't your spoon sink into it? No. Yeah, white chocolate, your spoon would sink into it if you push really hard. So what do you think it is? I don't know. Okay, try doing it where there's no Cheerios because Cheerios pop. This is a tiny bowl or something. What did you put in? Hey. Purple. And with my spoon. What do you think it is? Here. Hurry up and eat it. I know. What do you think it is? I can't even drink it. Okay. Drink it. What did I just see? Just drink the rest of it. Okay. Okay. Cold milk. Just come on, drink it. Okay, I'm going. Then I see what the surprise is. Oh, but first I have to eat the Cheerios. Okay, I drank some milk. Now I'm gonna eat the Cheerios. I want to do this thing twice. So I wanted to finish fast so Daddy can do it. So I can Daddy. Delicious. Wondering what it is? What do you think it is? I just ate them. What is it? Snow. No. Yes. Then how come I just ate some snow? Gabby, it's not snow. No. I said there's a surprise underneath. Now drink the rest. Okay. A bowl half full of ice. Gotcha. I'm gonna go redo this for Daddy's sake.
Go. Go. No, okay.